Hello, good people. Good morning from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to do a morning thoughts episode because today is a sort of like feels like a special day. In Bangladesh, we have usually most of the year hot and humid weather, and like we get sort of hot, like sun, humidity, sweating, and all these things most of the year. But end of the year, we all wait for winter. So this year hasn't been easy. This year has been very difficult, as you guys all know, the COVID situation. But we're still looking forward to a winter, and I think winter finally started today. It's not in the early days. It's more like fall than winter because the temperature goes down. Like usually we have about 40s, higher 40s, 30 something, 38, 39, up to sometimes 50 degrees here, 50 degrees Celsius, which is very hot. But now I think the weather is about 25 degrees. I woke up to see that, and yeah, I think, let me check. Yeah, it's around 25 degrees and little bit like light fog. What do you mean by that? It's starting, the winter is starting here. So those who do not know about Bangladesh, we get kind of like a mild cool weather, that is our winter, and we have heavy fog somewhere end of the December, early January. It gets a little bit cold. Previously, like in 80s, 90s, we used to see very, very cold weathers, cold winters and stuff. But nowadays, I think due to climate change, we are not seeing that to that extent. But still, it makes me very happy. So last year, I think October or something last year, like 1 year ago, 1 year, 1 month ago, I saw the weather was changing. I went up to rooftop after morning walk and breakfast. These are my rituals I do. Every winter I go for a walk, and you'll see this Viking beard coming out every year. This is what I do. This just become like not habit, like a practice, or like trend. So yeah, these are some of the things I enjoy in winter. So I want to talk about winter a little bit, why winter is special to us, like every year. First thing, I think when the weather cools down, we see even the noise pollution goes down. It's like you won't see bam bam bam, like people honking, fighting, and too much noise, because everybody is in cool mood, like because the weather cools everybody down. So that's one good thing, like people, they're in good mood. So anyway, oh sorry, I forgot to show you. I reached for this one because it's winter starting. This is Mustache by Rokas. This is EDP, and I think this fragrance I bought it in the warmer months, but this fragrance is really great when the weather starts changing. Nice sweet fragrance. Okay, very nice, unique fragrance, and one of the best fragrances at that price bracket. So anyway, I'm going back to what I was saying. That people becomes happier. Second thing we see is, because it's getting colder, people start taking out their jackets. Typical, every winter, every country they do that, but here we want to wear a little bit warmer clothes, especially after evening time. Otherwise you might catch a cold. And now this year, I think not going to be same like previous year, because with the corona situation, maybe winter time it will spike. Right now the cases are a little bit down in Bangladesh. I think because mostly of the high heat. I don't know what reason it was, but it feels like it's a little bit less. But I don't know what's going to happen. But yeah, second thing is that we like wearing jackets, like our bit warmer clothes. We like to go to places, restaurants, outdoors. Here usually outdoors, or like rooftop restaurants outdoors. It's not really nice to sit because it's hot and humid. But in the winter time, it's really nice because you can hang out. You don't need fan or air conditioning. That's pretty nice. Another thing I like winter for is that you can go for places like morning walk. You can go from one place to another absolutely by walking. You don't break a sweat. Okay, because weather is cool. This, it goes sometimes to 16 degrees. Mild sun. The sun is kind of shy today, but it's getting warmer, which is normal in the first few days. But you don't need like cars or a rickshaw or something, to go to one place, from one place to another. So which is nice. Then coming to another thing I would think of, we have some winter special food, some delicacies we only make during this time. And you'll see every street vendor, they'll be selling, like you'll see some steaming coming out. People are making rice cakes, some other kind of like cookies, or you are eating at the roadside and having tea. Tea is really, really essential for Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Nepal, this whole region, Sri Lanka. We drink a lot of tea during, especially in winter. It's really nice. We have strawberry, lemon, we have many other fruits tea, and we have tamarind tea. Then we have coffee. So this is really great time for fragrance, people who love fragrances. coming to the next point, we can wear our fragrances, they last a lot longer, and we can actually reach for fragrances which are heavy in nature, like all year round we wear Versace Dylan Blue or Versace Pura Nautica Voyage, but winter time we reach for something like Carlisle, Parfum de Marly's, bit darker, Amouage, you know. So it's really nice to take out our big guns, or so we say. So yeah, winter makes me very, very happy. So when I woke up, we still need air conditioning, but mild cold breeze. I think early morning, my group members posted they woke up earlier than me. I woke up around 8:30, I think. They woke up around 6 perhaps. So they were saying it was a very nice cool breeze. So maybe in a month time or a few weeks time, the cold weather will start properly. Then I'll go rooftop and then I'll review some fragrances for you. So overall, winter makes me happy because you just enjoy the weather, because in Bangladesh, apart from the winter, the whole year otherwise it's very difficult. Given the situation, as I told you, huge population, traffic jam, roads not that great, like pollution everywhere. So you don't get to enjoy anything except when it comes to winter. But winter has some downsides too, so be careful if you happen to be in Bangladesh. Always, you guys know, like winter, one big problem we have is dust. So many of us have dust allergy. Sometimes people have cold allergies, like season change brings flu. Alongside corona, it's kind of scary. So be careful. Do not drink cold stuff like me and get your voice jammed. And another thing is mosquitoes. Mosquitoes go like I think they start producing like millions and billions and billions. So even if your doors, everything's closed. Yesterday I killed 2 of them in my room, and they just winter, it happens. So be careful from the mosquitoes, because the dengue, the fever is going up and few casualties here, so be careful. Another thing I would say, the the winter time, another thing is you'll often see you face dry skin problem, because I have like massive dry skin problem. If I do not have lotioning, I always carry a small lotion. I know people will laugh at me, but I want to show you anyway. Every winter I show you, and for the dudes I'm showing you, especially girls have this. I carry this one, especially this one, because I like this aloe vera. This is Vaseline aloe vera, and this actually sort of gives relief from the dry skin, and keeps your skin like in comfy state. Otherwise you may scratch your skin, like you'll see like it's getting like dry skin coming out, not nice. So another thing I would say, your lips will start to dry and it will break here, which is very painful. I don't know other countries have it or not. Our countries will suffer it. So definitely carry around again Vaseline lip gel. This one, simple one, the white one. You can buy any. You can buy the stick ones, whatever, and you can just apply when you go out. So even after eating food, dinner outside, if you wash your face, you'll see it starts drying and it will start, what do you call, it will start have that sensation is pulling, the skin is being pulled. So it's not nice feeling. So once you have Vaseline, you'll feel much better. So these are the things really nice. So when you guys actually, like I know many countries again having the second, third wave. If in Bangladesh there's no such lockdown right now, but I think it will come if the numbers spike up. But if you go out, I would urge you to maintain your security. I always go out. I always have my mask. Okay, and you can find whatever types of mask you want, but usually go for the ones that actually have like filters or N95 mask, something that works, or surgical mask. That will still be okay. And if you see any sign of sickness, stay home. Do not go out. Do not spread. Okay, but when you go out, these are some suggestions for me, that take out like a small decant with you, like anywhere you go, like carry out a decant. Okay, like a perfume in your jacket pocket. And you'll see, like cold weather, it's always nice to wear perfumes. People notice, people are, the high heat situation, what happens is people are too distracted, trying to like, oh my god, horrible. So people do not notice your perfume, it doesn't project that much. But in cold weathers, the heavier ones, like every winter, I remember, like I get at least 5 compliments to 10 compliments from people, like unknown people also. People ask me what I'm wearing, because it's cold weather, it projects nice breeze sort of happening. People are detecting a fragrance, and people's nose is catching, because they are not like, they're just chilling, they're just chilling. So great time to have winter. So hopefully we'll all be here, we'll all be safe, we'll all be healthy, and our life, it will be like back to normal soon. And we need to like make some changes, like I see the world it's becoming a place like, apart from Corona, people have become worse disaster than Corona. And the way people fight, the way people attack each other, people are in the way of happiness, it's kind of sad. So I think maybe we should make some changes and enjoy at least a few months of winter. Let's be nicer to other people. And I will try to also be nice, because I'm not nice all the time also, because on the road sometimes we have road rage and stuff. But during winter time, I sort of like, relax and drive. So I'll try to go to some other shops, like some new shops outdoors, and shoot some videos for you. Hopefully you like it. And yeah, I'm very happy that it's a nice morning to wake up, even though it was terrible nightmares. But like late night I slept, but it feels good to wake up. So I'm looking forward to wear fragrances like Sunshine Man, let's say the one EDP, La Nuit de l'Homme, fragrance like Givenchy Play Intense, or some of my Manceras like Choco Violet. This one I'm really, really like waiting to wear, because these are kind of fragrances, cold weather, these are fantastic. Then Armani Code, you get the idea. Then La Male, the new one, I'm planning to buy it. I'm waiting also for Eros EDP. So all in all, beautiful times in Bangladesh. If you ever visit when the corona situation goes away, and this is the time to visit Bangladesh, like cold weather, if you know me, happen to know me, and you visit here from overseas, if I know you, maybe I'll show you around, or you can ask some of your Bangladeshi friends to show you around. Everything will be so nice. You can just take a trip, if you go to villages or outside the city, small towns, very nice. You'll see mustard seed plants, like everywhere, and you have fresh milk in the morning. A lot of memories for me. Okay, so I really love winter. So I hope you guys be careful. I told you some of the steps you should take. Do not smoke, because cold time you feel like smoking, it will screw up your whole winter, trust me. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and always thanks for staying with me, and those who are in my group Prac on Bangladesh. Thanks for always posting and keeping the group alive. If you happen to be in my group, thank you so much for all your time and all your posts. And for you guys, if you want to join and talk to us, I'm more active on Prac on Bangladesh Facebook page, Facebook group rather. Please join there. I'll leave a link below. So everybody take care, and I'm very happy that winter is almost here. See you soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.